Hello guys and welcome back. Today we will show you how to add staff members to your Shopify store. First log in to your Shopify store and at the dashboard, go here at settings. Under the settings, find users and permissions. Now here at the second section you can see staff. To add staff you need a premium plan. In my plan I can add up to 2 staff members. So click this button add staff and now you can give staff access to anyone. Type the name and the last name. Type the email and now give the store permissions. You can click this button here, select all permissions to give all the permission to that staff or select one by one. I will give them all. You can also manage app permissions, for example for emails or to manage and install apps and channels. And also for point of sale. Click send invite and click confirm. Now an invitation in the email we typed is sent. Now when the user accepts the invitation, he will be automatically part of staff in our store. Okay guys, this is it. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more videos of this type and turn on the notification bell so don't miss any video.